Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this Android. Firstly, just open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher and install this free app from this developer, Launcher iOS 16 from Launcher Studio. When your app is ready, open it, hit Get Started, tap on I agree to terms and conditions, and then select Continue. Now tap on Continue a second time and choose while using and allow in all pop-ups. Then, after closing an ad, manage all of those options, and when you're ready, hit Set as Default at the top. Then click on iOS Launcher to apply it. As you can see, app layout was applied successfully on my Samsung. If you wish to switch between your layouts going to the same app, click on Set as Default again and tap on your default launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!